going on, YouTubers? It is me, System Sensor 250, and welcome back to another brand new video. And guys, today's video we're going to be doing another smoke alarm test video. So today we're going to be doing a smoke alarm test number 15. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Now before we get into today's video, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, and please don't forget to smash the bell button. If you do guys have any questions, you know what to do. Just contact me in the comments, or you can chat me on the Discord as well too, aka my Discord server. Anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let's go ahead and get started the smoke alarm test video. I'm getting closer to get to 400 subscribers. I appreciate it. We're getting so close. Right now I'm at 396, I believe. It might be more than that as soon as I publish this video. I'm excited about it. So we will go ahead and get started. We'll get started on the smoke alarm. Hopefully it will focus. So right here I have the first alert, CO400 carbon monoxide alarm. So it is actually known as the smoke alarm, so I call it a smoke alarm. See, here's the model, CO400. Let me get this camera focused. There we go. All right, we will go ahead and get started on the smoke alarm test video. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. That's weird. Alright, here we go. There we go. It's pretty cool. And now we do one more test. Well, that's satisfying. So, that is the going to be the end of the smoke alarm test number 15. Let's go ahead and wrap. What do you think of the smoke alarm test video? Let me know in the comments. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Before we end up with today's video, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, and please don't forget to smash the bell button. If you guys have any questions, come to me in the comments, or you can chat me on the Discord as well too, aka my Discord server. And guys, please don't forget to check out my latest video through my homepage as well too. Guys, please don't forget to check out the Greenfield updates. Greenfield just keep releasing new updates, and that is so insane. If you guys want to check out the Greenfield updates, you can do that. Go to Discord and join Greenfield. Guys, please don't forget to check out my second YouTube channel as well too, and make sure you guys subscribe as well. Anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and we'll catch you guys back later in the next video. Peace.
Dá-se večer